a little bit of a slope here, but I don't imagine for 1 minute I should actually be able to soar. First of all, I just want to see if it'll trim out. Okay guys, this is it. Wish me luck. Good luck, Cliff. Oh, I felt I had elevator control. Not sure about the rudder, obviously. Let's do that again. I was just a little bit gentle there to start. Give it a bit more of a punt this time. Yeah, the turning is a little bit iffy, shall we say. Didn't have a huge amount of control, but let's do it again. A little bit steeper here as well. Let's do it again. If I can get a little bit of height, then I can turn safely. That's me over controlling. Okay. I don't expect much lift here, but it flies, so I feel like I could possibly put it up on the bungee. So, it will turn. You've just got to. I've got a bit of lift there, look. It's always a bit sketchy on Maidens, isn't it? Yeah, to get it to turn, I've just got to punch in a little bit of down. I'm used to that. I think it might need some down trim, but hey, it's soaring. Who'd have thought it'd fly on this uphill? Oh, don't turn downwind. Stalling about a bit there. I'm not sure if that's me or the model. Oh, full left rudder. Back into wind. Yeah, it's trying to penetrate. Where is it? Look at that, it's coming over. Come on, Uhu. Well, I'd say that was success, guys. Because what I really want to find out is maybe on the slope the controls are marginal. You need a little bit more authority, but I do have incredibly short servo arms on there, so definitely need to put on longer ones of those. Okay guys, this is going to be fun. Wind direction pretty much here. I didn't count how many steps. I'm just going on tension now, what it feels like. Getting into the wind now. Looking at the windsock. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Fair to say that went like a missile. I think I'm gonna. Oh, it suddenly dropped there anyway. Here she goes. 3, 2, 1, and launch. Whoa, that's vertical. 3, 2, 1, and launch. What I'm going to do is just dive, just to shake off the line. I think it's off. Can I catch it? Landing. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, am I happy. Let's take my hat off that, guys. That was a lovely flight. I think I had a bit of thermal movement going on there. But off the bungee, wow, that was fantastic. Really happy with that, guys. Bit of a shaky start there with the little plummet we had on the mini slope. Bungee, brilliantly successful. I'm really happy with that. And I've got to get bigger horns on there just to give me a bit more control flow for when I'm sloping it. Otherwise, fantastic. I love it. So we'll wrap it up there, and thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.